class comprising animals. See, this is assertion reason type of question, where you will be having two statements. The first statement is A, assertion. It is given as a statement. Second statement is trying to explain the first statement. Sometimes both statements may be wrong, both may be correct, and also the second statement will be, that is the reason will be correct explanation of A. Sometimes one may be correct, sometimes another will be correct. So we are having different types of statements here. Assertion, reason. Okay, you will have this type of question also. A variety. Classes comprising animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals, constitute the higher category called the phylum. So, fish is the, actually we are having two classes of fishes, amphibians. They are all put under the phylum, which is a larger one. These are based upon the common features like presence of notochord, ventral solid. That's a wrong one. These are all chordates. That is why they are all put under the same phylum, chordata. Chordates will be having a dorsal tubular nerve cord, including the phylum chordata. So, presence of notochord, that we can agree, but a ventral solid neural system, that we cannot accept. Okay, so A is correct, R is not correct. Okay, it is included in the phylum chordata, presence of notochord and ventral solid neural system. So A is correct, but R is false. Then we have to opt the option C, because it should be dorsal tubular. Then only it will be included in the phylum chordata. Is that clear? A is correct. They are all put under the phylum chordata. Why? Because they share this same characters, and there are three basic things that are common for putting them under the phylum chordata. One is presence of notochord, at least in some stages of development. 2, dorsal tubular nerve cord. 3, you should have paired pharyngeal gill slits. That point clear?